Hello and welcome to your next challenge, return the next number. This is a very basic challenge, and in this challenge you have to return the next number of the argument. For example, if the argument is 0, then you have to add 1 in this argument, which is equal to 1. So 9 will become 10, and minus 3 plus 1 is equal to minus 2. So basically we are working in Swift 5.0, so here plus plus sign doesn't work. One time I'll show you. Return num plus plus. If you'll check the solution, our solution will be incorrect because this plus plus sign is not supported by Swift 5.0. So as you can see, our solution is incorrect because this plus plus sign doesn't work. So what you can do, you can return num plus 1. So our solution is correct. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in next lecture.